You're going to find different variations of mix on the internet. So basically you take 1 liter of milk and you only want to warm it up basically to the outside air temperature. You don't want hot milk, just warm it up, warm milk, 1 liter. So with the homemade milk and yeast solution mix, take 1 tablespoon of the dry yeast, mix with 1 liter of warm milk to activate the yeast, 1 tablespoon of white granulated sugar to activate, then you want to cover for at least 2 hours for it to ferment. Normally leave outside at outside temperatures. It's morning, so I'm just going to leave it in my kitchen. Come back in 2 hours and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so it's been, I don't know, over 2 hours anyway. Let's check it out. So it's already foaming, so it's already fermented. Very nice. Yep. Now you take a 5-gallon bucket, warm water. Now normally I would put this outside and let it stay warm naturally, and for it to degas. So the chemicals will extract from the water through gassing out. And all you simply do is mix it in good. And you're ready to go. Now normally this is used for cucumbers, zucchini, tomatoes, or otherwise anything that's going to flower first as a fruit. But I've been using it on my strawberries, and it is the reason why they're still producing. Oh, you want to pre-soak your soil first. So do your normal watering first. Really, you don't want to do it directly on the plant. You want to get it in the soil, but I'm holding my phone here. Well, in case you wonder what these garbage cans are for, water for watering. So we're on water restrictions. We can only use the hose bibs twice a week. So I'll have to do my watering all by hand, which is actually a good thing because you're given a chance for the water to degas, get all the chemicals out. Now at the peak of my growing season, I have to make 3 of these 5-gallon buckets. Now, since a cucumber produces lots of fruit, cucumbers, I'll give it about 2 cups. And I moved some of my strawberries into my greenhouse. Curious to see how they're going to do throughout the winter time. They're called ever-bearing, which means they'll keep on growing. Now I just finished bubble wrapping the inside of my greenhouse to keep the heat in this winter. I walked in this morning, there was a 5-degree difference, so we're not nowhere near winter yet. So I know it's going to do a good job. Spinach I planted is in my gutters are already coming out. So let's continue. Actually, for a long time I forgot about these ones. I didn't fertilize them. And when I realized, when I got back to them, they all started producing again. So this is going to be an experiment. You normally don't do it on such things as carrots. Let's see what happens. Actually, I'm only going to do half.